How to add watermark in NanoBanana.AI. Want to protect your photos by adding a watermark? Let me show you how to do it using NanoBanana.ai. First of all, open your browser on your laptop and search NanoBanana.ai. Once you are on the website, make sure you are logged in into your account. Now scroll down to the AI editor section. Here you will see two options, image to image and text to image. Select image to image. If you want to upload photo, after uploading go to the main prompt field. Here's the trick. Type your instruction clearly in natural language. For example, you can write, add a small transparent watermark at the bottom right corner with the text my work. NanoBanana.ai will process your request and generate the updated image with the watermark applied, and that's it. That's how you can easily add a watermark in NanoBanana.ai. If this video helped you, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more tech tips. Thank you for watching.